the Ijaws are older than the Benin there. Because in the Ogiso period, 33 kings were installed. The place is an Ijaw territory. The Ado, it was not Benin at that time. It was Ado, the Ogiso dynasty. 33 kings were installed. The places that you now hear in Benin are Ijaw names. Ikpo is the father of me, who born the Me people before they left. That Uba, now they don't know, they are calling it Ikpo. They don't know they are speaking Ijaw. Ibiwe in Benin is an Ijaw name. Then there's a place where later they call Ugbo, Konowe Ugbo, where the tiger was. Then they are now talking about Igodomigodo. Who is Igodomigodo? They should tell us the meaning of Igodomigodo. Olia, Ogida, and Owotobo. These are pure Ijaw names. Osasuen, where they call, where is Osasuen? That is Yoruba, that is when they have come to Ijaw and Yoruba. The Benin man greet himself Koyao. Koyao and Koyao, what is the difference? Koyao and Koyao, what is the difference? Koyao Teme, who talk Teme? Teme is my lord in Ijaw language. They greet Teme, and now they are calling Ijaw people their tenants. The insult is too great. Gradually, we'll tell them the documents are there. The Udo people signed a covenant with the people of Ofunam because they were killing themselves.
We are children of Ogiso. My in your bar. Oh, no, Ogiso man.
Betty, Uromi migrates from Benin.
Yes. All your banya Benika.
Okay.
That Oba, is it a Edo language, you know? Oba. It's a Yoruba language. Yes. We are children of Ogiso. We are children of Ogiso. Ogiso no sibe do, the name of Ogiso no sibe dore, or ever Uromi. Or any Uromi.
Okay, that means Uromi or exist before Akwadomi Edo.
No. Edo can exist. Ogiso da rule ni. Ino ja bebe ere no overthrow na. Ine ne o to Yoruba river.
Okay.
Doro konre. Ine won o ti. Well,
I won't understand.
the really teaching of Edo. Uromi teaching. Uromi no gbe. But not Uromi no gbe. Jebo gbe. We are the really teaching. We are the real traditional Egoba. Ojuromi opa na Egoba. Oba kite bogi na ebe no soba. Oba kire kai kakpa.
Ndị Benin ji ekwu okwu na watimoti otiatima. Onye pikanni opipesha mkpụrụ. Once you do not want peace to reign, you are giving room for people to start finding issues with you. We have been here saying it for a very long time that Benin is a baby generation, not up to 1,000 years. A lot of people see us from the angle that we in Igbo are always trying to drag people. We're always trying to do this. But you know, see, today, both the Esan elders and the Ijaw elders are now speaking up. The spirituality mindset that makes these Benin youths to go up and down trying to claim spirituality for everybody is not making everybody to tell them what they want to hear. You know, when we started, they said we'll be young boys, but they forget that them be the youth that are going up and down, trying to change the own narrative. Now the thing is backfiring. You go touch a sleeping lion. You go touch the tail That's how ndị Igbo dey talk am. Onye akpa na nwa agwụ aka n'ọdụdụ ma ọ dị ndụ ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ. You go touch am. The lions are sleeping because everybody want peace to reign. That is why people left the story of Benin the way it is. Make we leave am, nothing dey there. After all, Oba is Oba in Benin alone. But you people are not content with where you are. You go up and down trying to finger everybody. In the 21st century, you want to claim Esan, you want to claim Uromi, you want to claim Iwanke, you want to claim Ijaw. When you have 4 local government, you want to claim the whole of the, because the state is called Edo, you are not claiming that the constituency now you get up. I've said it time with time, but I will keep repeating it. The problem why we are facing what we are facing in Nigeria is because we lack knowledge. Remember the word I used, we, I didn't say them, because I'm included, even though I claim and have understanding. Because the majority have no sense, they will drag me into the problem of lack of knowledge. Look at it now. There are so many intellectuals, professors in Nigeria, but because the majority are ignorant, they are the one deciding the vote. Look at where the kind of choices they make and how it has landed Nigeria. Even when an intellectual, people with wisdom will come out to contest, they will even use tribalism and religious sentiment to make sure the person do not win election. So that's why I keep saying we, because I'm not excluding myself. We don't have sense. We lack knowledge. You don't know that the state that is more ethnic, you don't own the state, you don't own the land. People have been living in that place for over 700 to 800 years, just like you, the late, that came all the way from Ife, has been living in that place, and people have said, because you have lived here for this so long, it is your ancestral land. You are still claiming that people who also lived before you are the tenants, you are the owner of the land. You want to force a king on top of people. This is why we have been saying it, that the Idu land, the Ogiso dynasty, is a comprising of different people. That is the first settlement of ethnic group people who came together to do business. And in every side where they are, you hear different language. Igbo words are used in Benin. Asian words are used in Benin. Urobo words are used in Benin language, including Ijaw words are used in Benin language. See that old man explaining it. He might be saying the truth or lie, but we have explained this thing over and over. That Benin language is a combination, including Yoruba, everything mixed together. So you can find every language, because Idu is a place where different people live and mix up to do business in the ancient time. It's a combination of different language. You see Yoruba in their name, in their language. You see Igbo in their name, in their language. This Emos Osakwe that everybody is calling. See, now our people, they answer Osakwe. But Benin will be turning the story around and say, for us to be answering Osakwe, now Benin will from come. Now, Ijaw is telling you that for you to have Ijaw words in your language, now them get the place. That's why those words are Ijaw. Now the same thing Misha they tell, and the same thing with they tell, but when I always want to come, you that is younger and even lower is trying to claim now you born everybody. I must give credit to the late, the Oba dynasty. I must give credit to them, because everybody know this history that the one that started recently, but I have tried to dominate everybody, which made them great. The ability to come later and became superior to everybody. Now you may interest you to know that the people living there before, none of them has kings. They will see Igbo Wednesday. It's not only Igbo. Every community in Igbo land has their own king. They don't have one particular person that rule everybody. The same thing with the Esan. The same thing with the Ijaws. The same thing with the Urobos. It is only Benin that have one king in every village. There are different villages in Benin, but they make sure that those kings are not seen as king. The Oba make sure that those kings are not seen as king, only in the king of the whole Benin villages. So that is why it was easier for the man to dominate the whole Benin and use that power coming together to force other small communities to bow, other small villages to bow. That is what happened. But if you go to Ijaw, if you reach Ijaw, this particular village in Ijaw could have their own king, different from others, because not only in Igbo land that thing happens. It's not only in Igbo land. Most of the people on this other side live that way. Every village has their own village king. There's no one particular big king that speaks for the entire of that ethnic group. If you go to Efik, there's no one particular man that stand and say, I speak for the entire Efik. Every village in Efik has their own king. There must be an agreement between all the kings for the whole Efik to say this is what Efik agreed. The same thing with Bibio, the same thing with Anam, the same thing with Ijaws. There could be one man that is strong, like if you come to Igbo land, there could be Obi of Onitsha, something that everybody will look up to. But that does not mean that he has the right to speak for the entire Igbo land. Eze Chukwemekeri of Aguleri, that one is also a big king. So there are different quarters where there are big kings, but they don't still speak for the entire Igbos. They have to consult other Obis, give them respect, and they have to agree for them to speak for them. But in Benin, the Oba no send all the dukes. He can wake up and say anything he wants to say. Why I bring these two videos for you to see that is not what we are not been preaching propaganda. We have said those things in the past because we want the truth to prevail. And the reason why we are saying is so that our people who are claiming Benin will begin to know the truth. I've told you the reason why people like us are making videos is to clear the identity crisis that is ravaging our people in the Anioma region and some part of South like the Queries and some Igbos in rivers and other places. This is the reason why we're making video. I brought this in so that you begin to see that elders, I go to the comment section where this man made this video, see people they insult him. This man, in case you are new here, that's the latest comment. In case you are new here, he's mad. This an elderly man. What's he trying to say? Because over the time you have believed lies. The lies of the Benin have stayed for so long that people now think that what they are saying is the truth. But they are not the truth. The absolute truth in this matter is that the Oba dynasty is the smallest of all time. The Oba dynasty is the youngest. Every other clan in this country, mostly in this south, are older than the Ilebinu. The history shows it. Archaeology evidence shows it. Even the so-called one that the Benins are claiming documented shows when they started. They accept that Oranmiyan, who is the beginner, people have been living in that area before Oranmiyan came. Even if you think the old dynasty that changed, no. We know the real truth, we know the real fact. Anyway, I don't want this video to be long. The reason why people are speaking now is because the Ilebinus are trying to claim every other person. I don't know what those youths think they want to gain by going up and down, trying to form, say, na then get here. They started with a wanke. Now they feel like, say, Anioma agitation has reduced. And they feel like, oh, Anioma's agitation has reduced, so Iwanke is not going to Anioma. Igbo people are not trying to claim it. That's that they now started moving. They say when you give people chance, they want to take allowance. So they feel like they now have to start moving up and down, forming their union to be going up and down. Akafi for Chonike, Odetu Animi. When the hand see what is looking for in bomb, he will smell it. You will soon see that thing that you are looking for. I've said in my last video, if I like more than fight, we want to watch another war, civil war, or what do they call it? Ethnic war in Nigeria. I'm out of here, Joe.